Greetings and welcome. This is Rajiv Makni on the Gadget 360 show, and boy, do we have a great show for you. The brand new HP Spectre X360 16, a top-heavy convertible laptop, cool color, great design, great audio production because it's Bang & Olufsen. It also comes with a stylus, and the screen has a fantastic refresh rate of 120 Hz. And for a Spectre, this now is a little bit more affordable. Then we'll move on to the Moto Tab G62 LTE. Good for casual users, but not for professional content or creators. This is not one of those top-of-the-line ones. Affordable daily use tab. It's kind of metalish, premium and sleek design, good build quality. Screen is okay, not the best in terms of color or refresh rate also, but like I said, the price is looking very good. Well, that time of the year is not here, but it is around the corner, and that is pollution. And we'll show you a review of the Active Buildings IAQ sensor. Now, this monitors indoor air quality. It's IP65 rated, waterproof product, suitable for retail, hospitality, healthcare, commercial purposes, industrial settings. And it's pretty affordable, and we found it to be very accurate. Then we'll move on to the Baybot Live 360-degree camera. Small wireless camera, runs on Wi-Fi, can easily rotate up to 355 degrees. Shouldn't have been called 355. Anyway, horizontal and 80 degrees vertically, and offers two-way audio feature also. We'll test it out. You know, all these cameras that they say they have a two-way audio feature, sometimes they sound absolutely terrible. That and a whole lot more on the Gadget 360 show. Let's get started. Our big review today is the HP Spectre X360 16. Now, the Spectre series from HP is all about premium looks, beautiful stuff, and this one is also pretty much in that direction. Latest launch by HP, 5-megapixel IR camera with noise reduction and integrated dual-array digital microphones. The display, the screen is fantastic. 16 inches diagonal UHD plus touch display. Pretty good audio quality also, good quad speakers, HP Audio Boost, B&O audio, and the fingerprint reader is also right on the laptop. Comfortable keyboard, nice size, you don't have to really readjust your typing speed. Now here's another feature that you usually will not see in a laptop. It's called inbuilt Alexa and a stylus. You can charge it with a USB Type-C port, and the price point, look, it's an HP Spectre. It's not going to be cheap. Priced at about 1,70,000 rupees.
The HP Spectre is built for convenience, especially around the idea of growing hybrid work environments. When you are in the market trying to find that perfect fit for your work and entertainment needs, do give the HP Spectre a fair chance. What makes this latest launch by HP so special, and what can we expect from this? We give you a sneak peek. Consumers often try to pack their desires for a work laptop that can also cater to their other needs such as gaming, streaming, or consuming content. Our review unit was nocturne blue in color with a 16-inch display. The Indian variant of HP Spectre 360 is equipped with an IPS panel instead of an OLED screen with a 91% screen-to-body ratio. This is one of the biggest screens available in the market, and HP went full throttle on its specifications. On the inside, it is powered by Intel's Evo platform and runs the latest 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Use it as a laptop, or if you are feeling adventurous, flip it around and use as tablet. The sturdy build quality can be attributed to the recycled aluminium and ocean-bound plastics used in their design. The display resolution rests at 3072 into 1920 resolution, a 3K variable that makes the color sharp and vibrant. If you're wondering where the ports are, look no further. The USB A-type port on the side, an audio jack in the corner, a micro SD slot, and 2 Thunderbolt ports. This is a top-heavy laptop, so the weight management is a little skewed. It is difficult to open the lid using one hand, but the hinges are rock solid, and hence the device hardly has any wobble to it. 2-in-1 laptops have to meet the user in 2 specific departments: how the touch feature calibrates with the screen input and the degree of usability of the tab as a standalone. HP Spectre 360 has gone a step ahead and provided a stylus, which gets half the job done. The stylus can be used in many ways: creating personal art, browsing documents, or just as a mouse. Once done, you can magnetically hang up the stylus on the right side of your device. The keyboard is another factor HP has worked on. The key travel is quite satisfactory and clean. There is even a fingerprint sensor for that extra level of security for your device. Speaking of clean, the camera comes with HP Auto Frame cameras, which keeps the user in focus. The HP Enhanced Lighting is an additional software solution aimed at giving you the best lighting solutions for your video conferences. An essential work tool. The device is appealing and exciting for first-time device owners, but the gaming enthusiast will have to take a backseat when it comes to this one. The lack of a dedicated graphics card is seriously felt since this is a 2-in-1 device that usually should support at least casual gaming. The peak brightness of 500 nits and 100% sRGB color support maintains battery levels up to 10 hours on a single charge and is well-rounded considering the large screen. The HP Spectre 360 was designed to seamlessly allow users to interact with work and pleasure. Quad speakers powered by Bang & Olufsen is the cherry on the cake. Despite the ups, there are a few downs too. The HP Spectre was designed for working professionals and Gen Z, but they weren't priced for the same. Priced at Rs 1,69,999, which we felt is quite expensive for a laptop with no graphics card or a high-end processor. Moreover, there is no getting around the fact that Apple's latest MacBook Air M2 is way more powerful thanks to its CPU, but still cheaper than HP Spectre 360. These few niggles aside, the HP Spectre is driven to be a functional device, created with potential to maximize productivity and keeping up with the latest technology.
Our next story is the Moto Tab G62 LTE. Moto, getting very serious about the tablet market, comes up with one more. So this is a nice, affordable, daily use tablet. Has a stylus feature, but the tab doesn't come with the stylus in the box. Good display, 10.61-inch IPS LCD display with a 2K resolution, which is becoming a kind of a standard for Android tablets. You can use it for casual gaming, great for movies because of the amazing audio quality. Speakers are well optimized, does a Dolby Atmos, good battery backup, well, a 10.61, 7700 mAh. I mean, it's somewhere in the middle, I would say. Priced very well at about 18,000 rupees. Remember, I said this is a 2K resolution tablet, so that's pretty good going.
Apple was instrumental in ushering the post-PC era of computing, giving users a new form of personal electronics, the iPad. A quick Google search would reveal that the rise of tablets as a form factor really took shape after the introduction of Apple's iPad in 2010. Many mid-tier offerings from Lenovo, Xiaomi, Nokia have since flooded the market. Naturally, we've been observing this particular form factor really closely. Just in the past few weeks, we have covered the Oppo Pad Air and the Realme Pad X. Promising entrants in this space. And today we are here to review the Moto Tab G62 LTE. At first glance, the tab is slim and dual textured. It has a sturdy build quality, and at 469 grams, the weight management is well balanced. The power button is on the top and quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos on all four sides. Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack are available at the bottom of the tab. SIM tray is available on the left side of the tab, and the power button is available at the top. The tab does not have a fingerprint scanner, so users are allowed to use only face recognition for security purposes. The tab has only one mic hole, which is available on the left side of the phone below the SIM tray. Up front, the Moto Tab G62 flaunts a 10.6-inch IPS LCD panel with a 2K resolution of 2000 x 1200 pixels. Narrow bezels avoid accidental touches. Streaming videos, casual browsing, gaming and working seem like a breeze. We did miss the fingerprint sensor, which is usually accompanied by the power button. Instead, offers facial recognition, which is quite slow and lags. We tried out the camera and found two cameras of 8 megapixel are placed in the rear and front. It is decent and works well during video calls, but we thought it needed well-lit spaces for the actual magic to happen. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 680 processor powers the system, which is common for this range. The optimization is smooth and doesn't glitch as much as we expected. 4GB RAM and 64GB storage comes with a microSD, giving the users much to desire for. Not much for gaming enthusiasts, the tab lacks a certain finesse when it comes to performance-driven tasks. The 60Hz refresh rate is definitely disappointing. The 7700 mAh battery paired with 20-watt rapid charging support can last up to 3 days on medium usage. Despite the slow adapter, the battery component is a winner, as tabs in this segment usually do not offer such a great battery life. The Moto Tab G62 LTE has provided a stylish feature as well, but you'd have to additionally purchase this. Priced at Rs 15,999 for the Wi-Fi only variant and Rs 17,999 for the LTE model. The Moto Tab G62 LTE runs on Android 12 and has support for 4G networks, and we think if you're looking for a medium budget device, you can definitely look into this.
Let's move on now to something that is very important, especially for people that live in North India and of course I think all over India. Something that can give you an accurate analysis of the air quality around you, especially indoor air quality, and Active Buildings IAQ sensor does that. Now do remember, this is very different from what you're thinking, because this will provide you data of indoor air quality. But the business model and every way that this company is going about things is very, very different. It's not just about the device, it's also a subscription and a service.
The COVID-19 outbreak led to serious health complications all over the world. Whether it was local symptoms like cough, fever or body pain, or evolved symptoms like lung infection and respiratory diseases, the world came to a standstill as doctors plunged into fighting these. Add air pollution to the mix and what you have is a deadly combination of diseases that can lead to further destabilization. And that's what brings us here. Today, we are reviewing the Active Buildings Indoor Air Quality Monitoring Service, a globally accredited firm for commercial building monitoring. The B2B company has been venturing into B2C by helping customers also get accurate evaluations. Getting an evaluation done is quite simple. Place the Active Buildings IAQ monitor in a room of about 1000 square feet, plug the monitor to an electric source for a fixed duration and wait for the magic to happen. The brand recommends minimum 30 minutes and a maximum of 2 hours for an accurate reading. However, it also provides reading up to 2 days at a stretch as well. Talking about the monitor taking the measurements, it has a 250 mW power with a 8 GB flash storage. It is Wi-Fi enabled, which means data is sent to a back-end storage with no human intervention. For those with no Wi-Fi, the brand also offers 4G network support via any local SIM carrier, which does the same job. Wondering what all this air monitoring service can detect? Well, we have the answer right here. Active Buildings IAQ monitor service measures not only PM 2.5, a fine particulate air pollutant, but also TVOC, CO2, temperature and humidity. The sensors are also equipped to handle and report lux levels, acoustics and noise quality. Since they are integrated into a single monitoring device, the AI-powered BMS gateway translates these readings and provides automation strategies to help improve indoor environmental quality. By providing high-quality data, the company aims to increase awareness amongst its users to create solution-based action plans. Active Buildings IAQ Monitor is also Reset certified, which is the world's first sensor-based, performance-driven building certification program. To avail their evaluations, all you have to do is log on to www.activebuildings.io and go to Solutions. Under Solutions, choose Homes or Business as per your needs. Each evaluation will cost you about Rs 699, which also includes solutions and recommendations to improve the quality of air in your environment. A significant correlation was found between air pollution and the health of COVID-19 patients, according to research conducted by Harvard. A great solution in times like these is an air monitor that can evaluate the quality of air around you, and we highly recommend availing the evaluation by Active Buildings.
Next up is the Baybot Live 360-degree camera. Small wireless Wi-Fi camera. You can cover pretty much all the angles of a room quite easily, rotates up to 355 degrees horizontally, 80 degrees vertically. So like I said, you can cover it all. Two-way audio, users can also speak and listen through the camera. Inbuilt Alexa and Google. Pretty okay video quality, full HD, can automatically turn on night vision function when room lights are dim. User-friendly stuff, and it's priced very well, 2,199 rupees.
India's smart home security camera market has grown by 116% over the last year, according to the latest research by Counterpoint. Thefts, burglary, property invasions have led to the rise in the home security market. It's a growing market with brands still trying to distinguish themselves, just like Baybot Live 360. In the market, Xiaomi, Tapo and Cubo together dominate a whopping 74% because of ease of use, affordability and intelligent features. Let's find out what potential is packed inside this indoor security camera and whether it can take on the likes of Xiaomi in the future. Mumbai-based Baybot's motto is to create a secure premise with the help of connected devices. Hassle-free installation makes the camera setup easy to use in any location of the house, whether it's your living room, bedroom or the kitchen. Simply place the camera on your table, mount it on the wall or secure it to a ceiling. The user is given the choice to use the device in accordance to their needs. The camera works seamlessly through the Baybot app, which can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. The design and performance of Baybot Live 360 took us by surprise. The dome-like design was quite similar to Xiaomi 360's home security camera. It is Wi-Fi enabled, smart Full HD 1080p wireless security camera. The Baybot Live 360 can move 355 degrees horizontally and locks at 80 degrees vertically. The camera comes with SD card slot, allowing users to save the footages or record special moments. Use the pan or zoom feature to give you maximum coverage. The motion detect feature is particularly important in home security devices, and this one is no different. Instant alerts are sent to your phones as soon as any movement is detected by the camera sensors. The Baybot Live 360's smart motion tracking feature can also be set up to automatically track a moving figure, be it a human or pet or object. But we mostly need indoor security cameras to work just as well in the night. So does the Baybot Live 360 hold steady on that front? The moment the camera detects the brightness levels in the room going lower, it automatically switches to night vision mode. The IR LEDs loaded in the camera enables visibility in pitch darkness. For any indoor security camera, the basis of comparison would certainly lie on factors such as camera quality, ease of use, navigation, and features like human detection and night vision. Surely the Baybot Live 360 has a great camera quality at 1080p, and features like night vision and human detection work seamlessly too. But we faced a few niggles as well. If you are in the market to buy an indoor home security camera, consider the Baybot Live 360. However, if you are ready to throw in a little extra money, there are brands offering features that are a cut above it. So choose wisely.
Do join me next week. We're doing great stuff, including stuff we're going down to New York for, stuff we're going down to Cupertino near San Francisco for. That part you know, right? That's going to be the Apple event.